Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in a sophisticated alpine white color. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your XLE package is your user-friendly navigation system, your heated front seats, and your backup camera for the ultimate comfort and convenience. Helping you into your RAV4 is your handy smart key system. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your power liftgate and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. On the other side, you'll find your blind spot monitor alert as well to help you monitor those vehicles. So what we're going to do is lock up those doors, put the keys into my pocket, and by simply running your hand across the handle here, it will unlock for you as part of your smart key system. Right away, you're greeted by a very sporty interior. On the side, you have your metallic trim with that black trim and your power windows and your power locks. You also do have your power adjustable side mirrors with your heated steering wheel, your lane departure alert, and your power lift gate. Your RAV4 comes equipped with a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean, and your driver seat is a power adjustable, so you're nice and comfortable. Adding to your comfort are your soft cloth interiors all throughout with that contrasting stitching detailing to tie all of that sporty style together. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open during those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your RAV4 with your smart key system, simply put your foot on the brake and hit that push start button. That dashboard's going to light up with that welcome screen and your ambient lighting. Taking a look at your dashboard now, you can see that you have a multi-information display which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. An important setting page to be on is your Toyota Safety Sense and Star Safety System, where you can turn on and off those alerts, set the sensitivity of the sensors, as well as monitor exactly what's going on with those systems to keep you riding nice and safe. You also do have your hands-free calling, your volume control, and your voice command on this side. And mounted on this side, you have your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota Safety Sense as well. Below here, you have your cruise control, which will be nice to have during those highway drives. You have your nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, as mentioned before. And taking a look at your LCD screen now, you have your audio system opened with your AM/FM radio. You also have your CD player on top with your USB auxiliary and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Shifting in to reverse now, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on that screen. A great feature to keep everything important to you nice and safe. Below here with your XLE package, you do have your dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for your driver and your passenger side. It is equipped with that air conditioning, plus you have that electronic automatic climate control. There's that push start button again with that dashboard detailing that stretches all the way across with the leather trim and contrasting stitching just to tie that sporty style together. And of course, you have your eco drive mode with your sport mode. You have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger with your heated mirrors. You also do have your USB auxiliary input with your 12-volt DC charger. Plenty of media storage below there. There's that black trim motif again with that chrome detailing on your shift knob. You also have that leather trim on your parking brake. Inside of your center console, plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have that top shelf for any smaller items, plus that leather trim as part of the quality that comes built in to your RAV4. Inside of your glove box, of course, you'll find all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your SUV. And plenty of functionality built right into your vehicle. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo? Here we are at the back cargo area of your RAV4. To activate that power liftgate, simply hold that button on your fob and it'll open up for you here. A nice convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your SUV. You also do have this handy tonneau cover, which provides just the right amount of privacy for your cargo. And if you need to carry any larger items, you do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats. Below here, you have your spare tire storage, your tools, and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. These pieces on the side do come off as well, so you can store your tonneau cover, and you'll never have to leave your house without it again. Reactivating that power liftgate, simply press that button up there. It'll roll down for you here. On the back here, you can see that you have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy. You also do have your backup camera available to you to help you in and out of those tight spots. As you can see, you have that chrome XLE all-wheel drive badging. As we take one more look at the back of your RAV4. Taking one final look at your brand new 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE with your intuitive all-wheel drive system plus your convertible storage options. This is a vehicle that can finally keep up with everything you have to offer. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.